We're talking about managing the study participants. You can get to the tile in two ways or open the window. We have our manage your study participants here. Again, that is towards the top of your study, or you have your icon for study participation and manage study participants is your first icon. They both bring you to the same place. From here, you can see what's happening within your study. I can see that one person's participated, 16 are scheduled, one is canceled. The way this is, the first one is your status number, followed by the status description, and then the number of participants under that specific status. To look up a person, what you can do is you can put in their first name, last name, or their panelist ID, and then click filter, and you'll see this come up. At this point in time, you could do one of three different things. You can add a note, and this note will stay with the study, not the participant. You could actually open the panelist tab by just clicking this icon. And the third icon we have is for to change their status. So when you click on the pencil, what it'll do, it'll give you different options of statuses based on where they are. Is the session over? Are they still scheduled for a future session? So you have different statuses. In this case, it's in the past. I was scheduled and for yesterday, and it's done. So what I'm going to do is I could just make myself participated and do it that way. If I wanted to participate everybody in the study at the same time, I could come here and I could say process participation. Again, if you want to come in and say, okay, this person was a no-show, you would click the pencil one more time. And when the information comes up, you're able to use the drop-down and choose no-show. So if you're running a study, you're participating everybody at the same time, I would actually first run this by status of scheduled. At this point, you can go through your no-shows, who canceled last minute by calling in, who was over-recruited that you can change to paid, not participated. Clean that all up first so the people that are left are just your scheduled, then come in and click your process participation. I'm not doing this since it's a test study that we do use. One other thing you'll see here is the view availability data. I'm going to close out this study right now, and I have another one open. So this is a recruitment study that is a manual recruitment. What that means is that when panelists go through it, they'll see that all the study dates available and choose which ones they are available for. And then you're going to go in and actually schedule them using this mean. So here is, again, your managed study participation. We can see who's scheduled, who's eligible, and who we have availability acquired for. So I'm going to start off using the people who have the availability acquired. So I'm going in by status, changing the status to availability acquired, and I'm going to filter the participants. So these are my test participants that have availability acquired for this. So if I wanted to schedule them, what I would do is click the pencil. Now you'll see available, not available, available, not available. That means these panelists, this one is available for session 1 and 3. If I wanted to schedule them, I could just select the session they're for, and I can save it. Now, if for some reason I know this panelist emailed me and they told me they are available here as well, and this is where I need them, even though it says not available, I could still overbook that and book them on it. So this gives you the flexibility. If you need to overbook as well, you can overbook via this manage panelists. To view the availability data, if I wanted to see what everybody's availability data is, I can check this and then I can export it if I wanted to keep it in an Excel file. If you have any questions regarding this managed panelist, I know we just went over a lot of information fast, let us know. Oh, one other thing. So say that you have, I'm just going to say eligibility not contacted, filter panelists. If I needed to do a bulk change, which I wanted to change a few of these at the same time instead of going in one-on-one, we do have the ability to do bulk. So what you would do is choose the panelists that you want to change. And then come here and you can then schedule them. If I want everybody here in schedule one, I'll just click that and click save. It's telling me it's overbooked. Do I still want to continue? The answer is yes. So now those people are scheduled as well. So if you needed to take people who have disqualified, you changed your inclusion exclusion criteria, you wanted to make them available again, you can do that here as well. If you have any questions regarding this, please let us know.